Hey, how you doing? This is the unboxing of the Hikari LED Eye of Megatron headlight bulbs. So let's take a peek at these and see what they look like. Comes in a pretty nice looking box. Let's open this up. All right, it comes with a manual. Tells you the max output of these lights. And then it has some different vehicle information on possibly needing adapters for certain vehicles. I bought these for my 2019 Toyota Tacoma. Comes with 2 bulbs and 2 drivers. Let's take a peek at the bulbs. All right, so they seem to be quality made. They feel good, they look good. There's your fan. There's the driver, and there's your plug. They're not supposed to flicker. Hopefully they won't when I go to install them. I'll post a link to Amazon where I got these from. I've read good things about these bulbs, so hopefully they work out. And they're supposed to be installed a certain way so that the light pattern is proper. I will show you what that is. Let's see, in this manual, it shows you that they want the diodes to face 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock. So I guess it gives the proper light beam in the road. All right, let's go get these installed. It has these projector beams. And that's for the low beams, and the high beams just have a reflector back there. I'm just changing the projector beam bulbs right now. So let's put this camera so you can see what I'm doing. All right, so over here, this is the bulb we're going to be taking out and replacing it with the new bulb. All right, so let's take this bulb out. You just give it a twist and it comes right out. Then there's a clip on the bulb that you got to remove. I'm going to get a screwdriver to take that clip off with. Okay. All right. Bulb should come out. There we go. factory halogen bulbs. You're going to want to keep those bulbs in case something happens to one of these while you're driving. You can have a spare bulb in the vehicle. Let's go ahead and install this. All right, it's in. Then we're gonna plug in the harness. Just wanna make sure it goes the right way. All right, now we're gonna see how it looks. All right, can hear the fan going. That is pretty bright. Not sure if you could hear the fan. But I can hear it. All right, now we're gonna go to the other side. Install the other one on the other side. All right, so I loosened up these bolts on the washer fluid bottles just so I could move it out of the way a little bit, give me some more room. I'm gonna reach in here and pull that out. It's a little tight to work in here. They don't seem to give you a lot of room. All right, got the bulb out. Let's go ahead and install the next bulb. Hopefully we can get it in there. There we go. All right, it's locked in. Let's get it plugged in. All right, let's make sure it works good, see how it looks. All right, both bulbs are on. You can hear the fan going. All right, so I finished up installing all the bulbs, and I just wanted you guys to show you that I put these bolts back in right here and here for the washer bottle fluid. And I put some zip ties, I'm not sure if you can see them, put some zip ties to hold these wires in place. I did the same thing on the other side. I put some zip ties down in here to hold those wires from bouncing around if you do any off-roading or just on a bumpy road, so the wires aren't bouncing around. Maybe could cause a problem if they're banging around. Right, so I finished installing everything. The bulbs are in, they look good. They match the LED fog lights I put in last week. So far I'm liking the color. Haven't tried it out on the road yet. I'm gonna drive out there later tonight. So that's it, that's the Hikari Eyes of Megatron LED headlight bulbs. They look good so far, easy install, it was quick. All right, thanks for watching.